Hi, I'm Phyllis Lang and welcome to Knightware. This video demonstrates the interoperation feature in Deep Sky Planner 4 with the planetarium program Starry Night by Imaginova. The setup for this demonstration uses Starry Night 6 Enthusiast Edition and it's being run on Vista Home Premium 32-bit edition. The first thing we need to do for Deep Sky Planner 4 is to set the option for which star chart program it should command. To do that, we click on the Options menu, select Star Chart Programs, and choose Starry Night by Imaginova. For our first example, let's create a planetary ephemeris report for the planet Saturn. To do that, we simply choose the Saturn display, and a report is created for the current date and time and the pre-selected location. It is important to note that Starry Night should be using the same geographic location and the same date and time that Deep Sky Planner 4 is using. We've set that up before the demonstration started. Let me stretch the display so that you can see all the information, and we'll right-click on the ephemeris item and choose Show Chart. This will cause the display in Starry Night to pan over to Saturn and center it in the display. And here you can see that Starry Night is moving its display, and it's centering up on Saturn. And there it is. Next, let's try something a little more difficult to see, something from the Deep Sky catalog. We'll create a Deep Sky search report for the Caldwell catalog. And we will search for the current date and the current time and generate a report of the Caldwell catalog. Let me stretch the display so that you can see all the information. And let's choose the Bowtie Nebula Caldwell 2. It's also known as NGC 40, and it's a beautiful planetary nebula in the constellation of Cepheus. Again, we right-click on the item and choose Show Chart to command Starry Night to move its display and center it on Caldwell 2, the Bowtie Nebula. And here Starry Night is moving its display, panning a long way across the sky, and zooming in on the location of NGC 40. For our final example, we'll look for something that's hard to see and difficult to find because it moves quickly in the sky, perhaps something like a minor planet. We'll open a minor planet ephemeris report, and let's select the asteroid Ceres. And we again are calculating for our geographic location, local date, and time. I'll stretch the report so you can see the information, and there's Ceres. I'll right-click and choose Show Altitude to check the altitude at the current time, and I can see that it is rising in the sky. Next, I'll right-click again and do Show Chart and switch to Starry Night and watch as it moves its display, hopefully centering on Ceres. It's zooming in, and there it is, the minor planet Ceres. If you use Starry Night 6 Enthusiast, Pro, or Pro Plus, I hope you found this demo useful and that it helps you get more from Deep Sky Planner 4. Thanks for watching.